Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for Indian mythology GQ quiz. So get ready to learn, play, and explore the fascinating world of Indian mythology. So without any delay, let's start with our first question. Who is known as the Lord of Wealth? Option A Lakshmi, Option B Shiva, Option C Kubera, Option D Brahma. Correct answer is option A Lakshmi. What is the name of the sister of Krishna and Balaram? Option A Rukmini, Option B Subhadra, Option C Satyabhama, Option D Chitrangada. Correct answer is option B Subhadra. Who is known as the mother of King Bharat? Option A Menaka, Option B Ganga, Option C Shakuntala, Option D Parvati. Correct answer is option C Shakuntala. Vrishaketu is the son of option A Bhima, option B Arjuna, option C Karna, option D Kripacharya. Correct answer is option C Karna. The lord of the dance Nataraj is a depiction of the god. Option A Vishnu, option B Shiva, option C Brahma, option D Krishna. Correct answer is option B Shiva. If you enjoy testing your knowledge and want more exciting Indian mythology GK quizzes, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also tell us in the comment which mythology topic you want next. We would love to create quizzes for you. So let's continue with our next question. What is the vehicle of Lord Ganesha? Option A Elephant, Option B Owl, Option C Swan, Option D Mouse. Correct answer is option D Mouse. Who broke the teeth of Lord Ganesha? Option A Kubera, Option B Indra, Option C Parashuram, Option D Shiva. Correct answer is option C Parashuram. In Ramayana, who was Lakshman's mother? Your option is A Sumitra, B Urmila, C Kaikeyi, D Kunti. Correct answer is option A Sumitra. Who built the palace for Pandavas at Kandavaprastha? Option A Krishna, Option B Balaram, Option C Vishwakarma, Option D Maya. Correct answer is option D Maya. Who is the wife of god Indra? Option A Shachi, Option B Mandodari, Option C Satyabhama, Option D Rati. Correct answer is option A Shachi.